What's up, everybody? So it's been about 2 weeks since I worked on the car. 4th of July and my birthday coming up and everything. So got some parts, got some gifts from some people. Show you guys what I got. Here's the parts I got. So I got a box the other day from Amazon. I'm like, what the hell is this from? I was like, maybe somebody got me something, like a subscriber or something. What? A yellow marker. So, oh, hey, babe. Ciao. Take this out.
What'd you throw?
Brand new used. Look at that. Turned out it was from my mom. Thank you, Mom. So this one's for my neighbor. Check out that sick sticker. It's like a candy kinda. It's got some like flake to it. Pretty nice. Thanks, neighbor.
Oh, don't forget
Huh.
your gift.
Thank you so much.
And I'm gonna eat it now.
So we got 410 straights. We got 3 1090s, 3 1060s, 1 AN60. Waiting on the 290s, they're on back order. So I got 245s, 10-10. And then I got a splitter. It's 10 AN with three individual ports. That'll be going from the 2 fuel pumps into 1 single feed line. And then we got the 90-degree 6 AN to 1/4 inch NPT that'll be going on the intake manifold and the vacuum block. And I got another liquid filled fuel pressure gauge to show you that. We got some 3/8 inch vacuum, hard plastic tubing, and some rubber clamps, an assortment. There's the other pressure gauge. Look, it leaked all over the place. It's Aeromotive. So, called Summit. They ended up warrantying it out. They didn't even have me ship it back. So, I'll start off with the fuel feed line. So I took the vacuum block off yesterday. Yes, yesterday. So this is day 2. My buddy came over yesterday and kicked it for a couple hours. We were BSing. Good times. Okay, so I put the high temp, high pressure Teflon tape on the fittings. These will go on this will go on the intake manifold and one on the vacuum block. And he also dropped off some 6 AN hoses I needed, I forgot to order. And he got me this is a straight fitting that was already on it, and he got me another straight fitting. He's the man. So I got the return line ran. Plenty of clearance everywhere. Got the supply line ran from the fuel filter to the fuel rail. Let's see. Plenty of clearance on that. It's not touching. Plenty of room underneath the intake manifold and throttle body. So I'm waiting on the vacuum fittings so I can run the boost controllers to the wastegates and put the fittings on the vacuum block. And I also got the turbo feed line so I can run that. Let's see, getting the fuel fittings for the fuel pumps. I still haven't had the fuel tank sump, so I gotta do that. Gotta do that before I can run the fuel pump so I can get an idea where I'm gonna mount everything. Gotta get fuel filter hold downs so they're not gonna be hanging. It's coming along. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you had a good Christmas and have a happy New Year. God bless y'all.